जो इस वीडियो का एक्चुअल मुद्दा है, don't dare you touch it. You must be watching this while eating something. Or maybe somebody just forced it on you. Anyway, it may be, this is going to be a perfect guide for you by all means. Welcome to Maker's Guide, a guide where we give you tips and guidance or provide you a grammar to become a better entrepreneur. Personal finance is a skill important in everyone's life, काफी ज़्यादा. Without knowing what's actually needed, जो कि है पैसा, it can be extremely difficult to achieve financial security. Financial planning positively impacts on all the aspects of our life. Areas where we'll be focusing on: इनकम जो आनी चाहिए, स्पेंडिंग जो जानी चाहिए, सेविंग्स जो हो नहीं पा रही है, एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट जो इस वीडियो का एक्चुअल मुद्दा है. Today's video is on personal finance. Here are the best tips and practices for personal finance. Number 1, side hustle. Before diving in, take a stock of what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. As someone who's ventured into digital landscape, see the enticing possibility that awaits for you. Social media management, where trends meet trends. Content writing and copywriting, crafting stories that sell. Graphic design services, painting the digital canvas. Budget mastery. It's about proactively building a security blanket for the rainy days and the sunny days alike. Let's see what tools will help us in it. The first one is emergency fund essentials. Don't dare you touch it. So this is the fund that is kept for the unseen and not expecting situations. The second one is 50-30-20 rule. So what is it? So suppose a person earns X amount of money per month. 50% he takes it out for his necessities. 30% for the discretionary spendings. The rest 20% is for the investment. The third one is overcoming impulsive spending. Yes, I'm talking about you. जो आप भावनाओं में आके खर्च कर देते हैं ना, वही होती है impulsive spendings. The fourth one is no limit on personal growth, which means spending on courses, books, or your health. You should never limit that. I know you don't do that. Now is the time for the ultimate tip. If you are new to personal finance or managing and organizing your finances, I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but remember, the process is to simplify and not complicate it. If you think this might help you, then in return, help us grow. Like, subscribe and comment on this video to know what other things do you want us to add on in making you a better entrepreneur or add on into your entrepreneurial journey.